Could the size tag be the key to authenticating your white cement Air Jordan 4s? Nearly 15,000 pairs have been sold on StockX alone. And of those 15,000, how many of them do you think are actually authentic? In this video, I'm going to demonstrate step by step what a size tag reveals on an authentic pair ordered directly from the SNKRS app. And all you have to do is follow along. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is obtain a photo of the size tag. You just want to make sure that the picture is very clear and in focus. You do not want any blurry areas of the photo, and you will see why that's important in a minute. So once you actually have the photo, you're going to click on the finder at the bottom if you're using a MacBook Pro like I'm using, or if you're using a PC, you can just click on the folder down at the bottom. You will locate the folder in which you saved your pictures. Today, we're going to be looking at the LN3M version of the white cement Air Jordan 4 and also the white cement 4 from the LN4M version. Both of these are authentic. So when I click on the first picture, this is of the LN3M for the left shoe. When I take my cursor, you will see that it creates this box around certain areas of the shoe when I hover over certain areas. We want to focus on the website down here at the bottom. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this patent website. And this patent website is talking about copyright infringement and stuff like that. It also has different models and stuff down at the bottom of the screen. So when we click off of this window, click out of this one, we're going to go to the right shoe size tag for the LN3M. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to hover over this website down at the bottom, and when I click on it, it's going to open up that patent website again. And when I close this out as well, we're going to go to the white cement LN4M pair. I'm going to hover over that Nike website down at the bottom, and again, it's going to open up this patent website. So my theory is that when you click on this particular, especially for the white cement Air Jordan 4, and when you click on this particular area or website, it's going to take you to that patent website. So my theory is that if it's authentic, that's where it's going to take you. If it's not authentic, it's probably going to take you to a different website, or the link is going to be misspelled in some way, shape, or form. Again, my name is Retrospective Dave. Stay fresh, blessed, and free of stress, and I will see you all in the next video.